What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing of this wooden tablecloth, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to show you guys how it basically look. I'm going to install it on my table right there. So I'm just going to open the package. So as you can see, its material is plastic, so this is basically somehow you can dispose it after use, so you can use it in a decoration for your party and such like that, and it's really great. I'm just gonna show you guys the lot of different pieces that come in here. This is one piece right here, next piece right here. So this is a 3-piece set that I got, and I basically got this as a gift to test it out so you guys can see basically how this works. So guys, I'm gonna install it right here on the table. So guys, as you can see right here, I love the wooden design. As you can see, this is basically made from plastic. As you can see, it's looking pretty great on my table right there, and it's nice if you can use it for your decorative design in any one of your table for your parties or any function they want to use. Guys, this is one great tablecloth you can use, and this basically can reuse if it's in good condition, but you can dispose it and use a new one if you want or if you prefer. But this is really great. I love design, just looking neat and spectacular.